guys! Welcome back to my channel. Samahan niyo po kami. Dito kami sa may Arizona. Atin pong titignan ang isang major crater kung saan ito ay isang natatanging geological formation na nabuo dahil sa pagkahulog ng isang malaking asteroid. Ito ay lumabas mga 50,000 taon na ang nakaraan kung saan nagdulot ng malaking pagputok na lumikha ng isang malaking crater. Ang pagputok ng asteroid ay nag-excavate ng 175 million toneladang bato na lumikha ng crater na halos 1 milya ang lapad at 570 feet ang lalim.
Kasunod? Okay. Okay. Ayan po, nandito na po kami. Okay, so hindi pa namin alam kung magkano ang entrance. So, prepare for impact. Hindi namin nakuha. Ayan, Saturn lot. Ha? Ibig sabihin, ang mga pangalan pala dito sa mga place, alam mo, nung pumunta tayo, akala ko walang katao-tao. Pagdating dito, dito pala mga tao. Saan naman yan banda? Maglalakad ba?
Oo, masaka pa diha, masunod ta.
Pa, hindi yan. Saan ka ba mag-park? Ano yan? For disabled yan. Saan tayo pwede? Yan. So, pwede naman tayo magdala ng bag. Ano? So, pupunta na kami doon. I'm so excited to see the crater. Sabi nga nila sa crater daw, dito daw bumagsak yung meteor noon. So, itong butas, yeah.
Mag-ano sa building,
Yeah, picture.
Sa gitna, ayan. Matuyok na automatic. Ay, sunod siya. Ayaw sa sunod. Sige, tulak.
Yun, okay, dalawa kaya. Okay, sunod. Okay. Okay, dito. Baba kami. Ito po yung sa loob ng office. Ayun. Okay guys, nakabili na kami ng ticket. So magkano ang isa? Magkano?
20,000.
20? Magkano? 25.
So I'm not wearing my glasses. I cannot see right now. Our ticket good for 5 is worth $141.
So 141. So 5 kami. It
It's
seems
discounted actually because we have 2 seniors.
so more or less 30. Oh my god, it's so expensive. But before pala pupunta sa crater, we are going to watch movie. Okay, so let's enjoy. See you later. Yun pala yung ganyan.
Ano sa movie niya ata.
Let's go, let's go.
Diri ako pa man daw.
4 o'clock man ang...
4 o'clock ka.
Yeah, tama na sa sulod.
Yes. Alas 4 daw. Mag-restroom muna.
Later.
So, yun pala yung Apollo capsule.
Napipicture ang malo na.
So, pupunta na kami doon sa... Manood daw muna movie.
Nang papapicture ka daan ng
Yes.
astronaut.
Yeah.
10 minutes na lang.
Okay.
10 minutes na lang.
Okay.
Como que vuelve polvo.
So,
Welcome to Meteor Crater, where outer space meets planet Earth in a spectacular display of nature's force. Not only is this the most perfectly preserved meteorite crater on the globe, it is here that the mystery of meteorite impacts was solved. And secrets of the solar system were unlocked. Impact. An object from outer space collided with Earth and left this dramatic proof. Meteor Crater is not only the best preserved meteorite crater on Earth, here is where the mystery of impact craters was solved, and our eyes opened to secrets of the solar system.
So, tapos na po yung movie at pupuntahan na namin yung actual site kung saan nandun yung crater. So, yun na yung site na puntahan natin ngayon.
This meteor crater is also known as the Barringer crater. This is found in Arizona, USA. This is a massive, well-preserved impact crater located in the northern Arizona desert. It was formed about 50,000 years ago when a nickel-iron meteorite, approximately 160 feet or 50 meters wide, struck the Earth at an estimated speed of 26,000 miles per hour or 42,000 kilometers per hour. This is first studied seriously in the early 1900s by Daniel Barringer, who believed it was caused by a meteor impact. It was one of the first craters on Earth confirmed to be formed by extraterrestrial impact. The crater is still privately owned by the Barringer family.
Oh. Oh my, ayun na siya. Oh my, ito super. Oh. Grabe talaga. Kasi.
Notice some white powder. That's some silica powder. Although he did not find a ton of iron, he found some silica and was able to sell that off for a small profit. I believe they used it for glass making at the time. I should also mention that Barringer was interested in this meteorite, not necessarily because it was a meteorite from outer space, but because of the iron that it contained. They were building the railroad at the time, so Barringer figured if he found this giant chunk of iron, he could just sell it to the highest bidder and they would all retire rich. And then we would have a railroad made out of meteorite, I guess. A little to the left of that fenced off area, you'll notice a couple of black objects down there. It's a 15-foot long steam boiler and a steam powered winch. That's some of that heavier mining equipment that would have been brought down that ramp that I mentioned back inside. Do you guys notice that ramp, that 45-degree angle kind of going down to the crater? I said a steam boiler. Do you all see any water around you? Before they tapped into that water table, very astute, sir, they actually had to make a makeshift sheet metal canal that went around 3 or 4 miles out and slowly dribbled water down there to the bottom of the crater. He was tenacious. He really wanted to find this meteorite. Also, if you look down there, you'll notice kind of a tan kind of circle down there at the bottom of the crater. That's remnants of an ancient lake bed. After the impact happened, the force was so great that it actually tapped into that water table and temporarily created a lake. However, all the ground down there now is very sandy, very permeable. So any of the water that we do get down there, the 6 to 8 inches of rainfall every year, it will just sink down to the bottom. So the crater itself will never actually fill with water. Also, it's a little hard to see right now with the sun, but if you guys go to the bottom right-hand corner of that fenced-off area, and then you go a little to the left, do you guys know, like, see that little white Tic Tac looking thing? You see that? No, you don't see it?
Which one?
It's the bottom right of that fenced-off area, go a little to the left. You see kind of white kind of dash, white Tic Tac?
Yeah.
You see that?
Wait, I saw like 2 pop-ups, like two little rocks outside of the fence. I didn't see the
Go to the
white area.
corner of the fence,
Yeah.
a little to the left.
Fence dyan.
Okay.
So, papunta tayo doon. Iikutin natin ang crater. Imagine guys, kung bababa daw, it takes 2.5 hours para bumaba doon. Pero hindi siya ina-allow na bumaba ang mga that was 1980. Imagine mo, bago lang siya na-discover na talagang na-prove na meteor crater siya. Sa dami yung nag-aral. Yung si Beringer, gumastos pa ng ilang milyon para hanapin niya yung mga natirang iron sa meteorites. $7 million. Ma-prove na talaga meteor crater. Naniwala lang sila nung yung scientist na gumawa nung bomba na yung may impact pala talaga nangyari sa kanya. Na na-happen lang nung nakita na mayroong mga nakita sa kanya na nangyari sa may big impact. Imagine that. So ikutin natin ngayon. Hindi natin na-timeran, ano? Yun yung sinasabi nila na nagpatayo sila sa gilid, tapos nawala. Nagamay lang sa office, tapos santod gumawa.
Right where I'm standing right here is a fantastic opportunity for pictures. I will take a picture of you for free. So if anybody wants a picture,
Wow.
please come on up.
Okay, come on. Halika, ano ba? So guys, tapos na ang tour natin sa meteor crater. So tayo ay babalik na. So yun lang po ang ating video for today. So thank you for watching. I hope nagustuhan ninyo yung aming video today. It's very informative. Thank you for watching once again. See you in my next vlog. Bye!